Preparation of alcohols. Alcohols can be prepared from different organic compounds. The first method is from alkene. Alkene react with the water in the presence of acid catalyst form alcohol. Let's see one example. Here alkene is ethene. Ethene react with the water in the presence of acid catalyst. Here H plus indicates sulfuric acid. H plus is from sulfuric acid. Form ethanol. Clear? So we can convert alkene to alcohol by using acid catalyst reaction. Acid catalyst hydration. How to explain this product? There is a simple trick to write the product. Let's see the method. CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, then plus H2O in the presence of acid catalyst. H plus indicates sulfuric acid. H plus from sulfuric acid. Water, we can write water like this: H plus and OH minus, H2O. So when we add water to alkene, what will happen to alkene? The electrons of alkene will shift from one carbon to another carbon. This pi electron will shift from this carbon to this carbon, or from this carbon to this carbon. Both are possible. So after shifting this electron, this carbon become negative. To the negative, H plus will add. And after shifting, this carbon become positive. To the positive carbon, OH minus will attach. So what you will get? CH2 negative will take H plus and form CH3. Then CH2 positive attract OH minus and form CH2OH. So here the product is alcohol. Which alcohol? Ethanol. Clear? This is the way to write the product. And here the role of H plus, role of sulfuric acid is not mentioned. The correct role of sulfuric acid will understand from its mechanism. From the mechanism of this reaction. What do you mean by mechanism? Mechanism provide a correct path between reactants and product, or mechanism provide all the reactions take place between reactants and product. So very simple, mechanism of a reaction give a clear picture about the reaction. Okay, so now I am going to teach you the mechanism of this reaction. There you will get the role of H2 and H plus, and actually what is happening here. This is only a trick. Okay, this is not the mechanism. This is only a trick to find out the product. Mechanism of acid catalyst hydration of alkene to alcohol mainly involve 3 steps. In first step, step number 1, acid H plus from acid, H plus from acid combined with the water form hydronium ion, H3O plus, hydronium ion. Here this H plus is from acid. Okay, H plus is used as a catalyst, and this H plus is getting from sulfuric acid. Acid used here is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid dissociate to form 2H plus plus SO4 minus 2. Okay, so H plus added to water is from sulfuric acid. H plus, how it reacting with the water? We can represent water like this. Oxygen have 2 lone pairs, and one of the lone pair is giving to H plus. So what will happen? After giving to H plus, the H2O become H3O plus. H lone pair H, by using this 2 electron form a bond with the H. Okay, then we know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. 8 means 8 protons and 8 electrons, 2,6, 8 electrons. But after addition of H plus, what happened to number of electrons? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 electrons surround oxygen. 1 electron is given to hydrogen. So after addition of H plus, what happened to electronic configuration? Electronic configuration become 2, 5 because 1 electron is given to H plus. And again number of proton is again what? 8. There is no change in proton number, only electron number reduced to 7. So 7 electron, 8 proton. 8 positive, 7 negative. So what is balance? 1 positive. Okay. So I think now you got how H3O plus is forming from water and H plus. H3O plus, and this H3O plus is called hydronium ion. Clear? After that, this H3O plus will react with the reactant ethene. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2. Then ethene will react with the hydronium ion. Hydronium ion we can represent like this: H, H, here one positive charge. Then here what will happen? This 2 sigma electrons will move towards oxygen, will shifted to oxygen. Okay, then H2 will form, then the H plus here, after shifting the H become H plus, that H plus will attract to ethene. So the same time the single bond electrons will shift to carbon. Okay, then after shifting, carbon become positive, this carbon become negative. To the negative carbon, the H plus will add. So what will get? C, H, H, due to shifting it become plus. Then single bond, H, H, here negative charge, then H, CH. What is the byproduct? H2O. The positive charge is nullified by the electrons from this single bond. So due to the shifting, the positive charge will cancelled. Then you will get H2O byproduct. What is this product? This product is called carbocation. So first step involved the formation of carbocation. Clear? This is about first step. In step 2, the products of step 1, the carbocation and the water will react again. Then water will add 2 positive carbon. By using this lone pair, water will form a bond with the carbocation. Now let's see the product. So we can write this CH3 first. CH3, then CH2, and here one positive charge, and this positive and electron form a bond. By using these 2 electrons, it form a bond with the water. So OH, H, this electron we can represent here. Okay, now see how many electrons around oxygen? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again a positive charge will from here. In step 3, the protonated alcohol formed in step 2 react with the water again form the final product. Clear? So this product formed in step 2. Okay, and how it will react with the water? This water will take this proton, okay, and this electron will shifted to oxygen. So what we will get? We will get a product like this: CH3, CH2, then OH. Okay, here already lone pairs are here. Now after shifting again one more pair, CH2, then plus byproduct is H3O, H2O, then H3O plus hydronium ion is the byproduct. Okay, and what is this product? CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol. So ethanol is the final product in this reaction. So this mechanism involved 3 steps, and through this mechanism now you got a clear idea about the role of H plus, the role of acid in this reaction. So this is the final reaction: ethene plus water in presence of H plus form ethanol. Okay, the whole process takes place through 3 steps. Clear? In case of unsymmetrical alkene, addition reaction takes place in accordance with the Markovnikov's rule. Let's see one example. CH3, CH, double bond CH2. What is the name of the compound? Propanene. And propanene is an example of unsymmetrical alkene. Why? Because left side of double bond 2 carbon, right side 1 carbon. So the alkene is unsymmetrical alkene. When this compound reacts with water in presence of H plus, and the product formed accordance with the Markovnikov's addition rule. Did you remember Markovnikov's addition? We learned from class 11th. What is Markovnikov's addition? The negative part of reagent is added to carbon containing lesser number of hydrogen in the case of unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, so H2, how we can write H2? H2O can write like this: H plus and OH minus. So according to Markovnikov's addition, the negative part of the reagent OH minus will added to carbon containing lesser number of hydrogen. Here these 2 carbons are important because these 2 carbons are connected with the double bond. So according to Markovnikov's addition, negative part is added to carbon containing lesser number of hydrogen. How many hydrogen here? 1. Here 2. So OH minus will added to this carbon. So what is the product? The product is CH3, CHOH, single bond, CH2, then this H, CH3. Okay, if negative part here, then what about positive part? Positive part will add it to CH2. So product name is propanol. Okay, so how to convert propene to propanol? The answer is this one: by hydroboration oxidation reaction. In this reaction, alkene react with the diborane, B2H6 is diborane, in presence of hydrogen peroxide form alcohol, propanol. Okay, and this reaction is called hydroboration oxidation reaction. And this reaction takes place accordance with the anti-Markovnikov's addition reaction.